Vivo T3 full specifications. The Vivo T3 boasts Android V14 and an in-display fingerprint sensor for seamless security and convenience. The Vivo T3 features a stunning 6.58-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 413 ppi. With a brightness of up to 1600 nits and a contrast ratio of 600000001, the display delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 120 Hz refresh rate and 480 Hz touch sampling rate ensure smooth and responsive interactions. The punch-hole display design adds a modern touch to the overall aesthetics of the phone, providing an immersive viewing experience. The Vivo T3 is equipped with a powerful 50MP plus 13MP plus 2MP triple rear camera setup that features optical image stabilization, OIS, for sharp and steady photos. It supports FHD video recording at 1080p at 30 fps, ensuring high-quality video capture. For selfies and video calls, the phone sports a 16MP front camera. The use of the Sony IMX882 sensor further enhances the overall camera performance, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos with impressive clarity and detail. The Vivo T3 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, featuring a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor for smooth performance and efficient multitasking. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, along with an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM, providing ample memory for running apps and tasks seamlessly. The phone offers 128 GB of inbuilt storage, and users can expand storage further using a memory card, hybrid slot, supporting up to 1 TB of additional storage capacity. This configuration ensures that users have sufficient space for their apps, media, and files. The Vivo T3 supports 4G and 5G connectivity, enabling fast and reliable network access for high-speed data and voice services. It also features VoLTE support for crystal-clear voice calls over 4G networks. With Bluetooth V5, 3 and Wi-Fi capabilities, users can easily connect to other devices and networks for seamless data transfer and internet access. The phone is equipped with a USB-C V2, 0 port for charging and data transfer, offering a versatile and reversible connection option for enhanced convenience. The Vivo T3 is powered by a robust 4700 mAh battery, providing long-lasting usage on a single charge. Additionally, the phone supports 67W superfast flash charge technology, allowing users to quickly recharge their device and minimize downtime. This combination of a high-capacity battery and fast charging capability ensures that users can stay connected and productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.